Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Windows 11 on your PC, laptop free of cost. So first of all, I would like to tell you that you need a Windows 11 ISO file that can be downloaded from this site uupdump.ml. Here you have to check the architecture of your CPU. If it's x64 you will go for this version. So if it's 64-bit architecture, you can go for this. And this is only for the 64-bit architecture. Yes, this Windows 11 at present is not for 32-bit architecture. Also, you have the ARM64 that you can install on Raspberry Pi or other processors that are ARM based. So you have to click on this link. You have to click next. Here you have to select the version of Windows you want. I would go for Windows Professional or Windows Home. Then you have to click Next. Here you have to click this Run Component Cleanup. Check this. Also, you can use this Integrate .NET Framework. Then you have to create the download package. In the folder, you can see here is the zip file. I have to extract it. Fine. So this is the extracted folder. Here you have to click on this uup underscore download underload windows. You have to run this as administrator. You have to click yes. Okay, because yes, a little modification because it's you have to edit this. Now click this and run this as administrator. You see, it will start downloading the files for you. Because I have already downloaded the ISO file, friends, this process of downloading the ISO file, it will take approximately uh, 1 hour to 1.5 hour, at the most 2 hours. So you can leave your PC, laptop, or any other device on which you are downloading having Windows 10 or any version of Windows which can run the command prompt. You can download this. So you can enjoy a cup of coffee or any other work you can do in the meantime. You have to wait for at least 1 to 2 hours. Fine. So first it will download all the files, then it will start compiling the ISO file itself. When the ISO file is compiling, the screen will turn blue. Because I have already downloaded it, so I am closing this command prompt. Next, you have to click on this. You need a pen drive. I have a pen drive and I will format it now. For this, you have to type disk part, run command, open this, give it the administrative privilege. Then you have to type list disk. It will show the pen drive. Then you have to type select disk 1, clean. Again type clean. Yes, it's clean now. Next is you have to create partition primary. After that, format file system equal to fat32 quick. So this formatting is complete. Now you can exit, or you can also convert this. Okay, leave this, just exit. Okay, now open this Rufus software. For Rufus, you can type Rufus and it will bring you to the download page. From here you have to click over here, Rufus 3.14 1.1 MB. Just click over here, it will start downloading. I have already downloaded. Here is Rufus. So I will double click this. Then you have to select the ISO file. The ISO file is, yeah, in the downloaded folder. This is my ISO file. I will open this file, and depending upon the BIOS, you can select the partition scheme. How to check this? You have to type disk diag run command. So mine is, you can see, this is my PC details, laptop. So the BIOS is UEFI. You click on my PC, properties, file system is NTFS. Okay, so mine is UEFI. So I will select UEFI. If your BIOS is MBT, you will select this option. And MBT is for older systems. So usually the legacy based systems. So for 2010 or 11, if your PC is higher than this CPU generation is above 2012, you can go for GPT. So I would select GPT, UEFI non-CSM. Then I will click start. It will format the pen drive. Also, if you have an important data, please make a backup of that data before starting this. It's asking for the warning that it will delete all the data on the pen drive. I will click OK.